channel, Dave Heroic. So today we'll be going through why freelancer struggles to get free connects on their Upwork account. So as you can see, this is my Upwork account, and based on my name, so this is the Olajide David. So here is my Upwork profile. So you can see I had only one job on the account presently because I've not been using the accounts on a regular basis. So presently you can see that I have just a zero connect on the account just because I didn't buy any connect yet, and also Upwork stopped giving free connect. So now as a freelancer, you might be frustrated of why you are running out of connects on Upwork. You are not alone on this. And in this video, so I will be telling you why freelancers struggle on how to solve it. Now, why does freelancers struggle? The reason why freelancers struggle is that Upwork no longer gives unlimited free connects because they want serious freelancer to value their platform. But this leaves many freelancers on a struggling side why you are not being able to receive projects, apply for jobs just because you don't have a free connect. So now the main way for you to solve this is you applying for job, high paying job directly with an optimized proposal. So now, for instance, once you buy your connect, you get the fund available to buy connect on your account. You want to apply for jobs. So instead of waiting for free connect on your Upwork account, so you can just simply purchase connect on your account. So hold on, let's this I think the network. Okay, so now instead of you waiting for Upwork to give you a free connect, because now number one, for you to get free connect on Upwork, number one is once you create your account as a freelancer on Upwork, once you create your account, the first thing you have to do is complete your profile to be 100%. Yeah, for example, you can see my profile is 100% completed. So now these are the requirements for you to complete your profile. So now the first thing for you to do is, these are the 5 things I did to get my account to 100%. Now I linked my account with social media platform. Likewise, I added my skills, I showcased my skills, the overview, my talent, the bio, the profile picture, and other experience. I added other experience to my accounts. You can see them on my profile overview. So I added them to my account already. So I think, okay, let me go back so that I can show you how that is being done. So now on my overview page, you can see my profile. So let's await the loading time. So with that being said, so now you can see that my profile is, even without having connect on my account, I'm still getting view just because my profile is 100% completed and well optimized with keywords. On my next video, I'll be creating I'll be teaching you on how to get the right keywords for your profile for you to have an optimized profile. As you can see on my account, I have a Rising Talent badge already because this is a new account after I got verified. So now if peradventure you are a new freelancer on Upwork, you might not be verified because you get verified after you get your first project. So they will ask you to verify your accounts. So peradventure you are not verified yet, then you can still complete your profile to be 100%. So based on the service I'm rendering a course, a sales funnel and landing page service on either ClickFunnels, Kajabi, or Go High Level. So these are the services I'm rendering. So I optimize my account to be based on that service. So, and I have a specialized profile for that service as well, and a well optimized profile. So now another thing for you to do is uploading your portfolio. Make sure you upload your portfolio before you apply for projects. So apart from that, now what you need to do is make sure that you complete your profile to be 100%. If you want to get a free connect, that will be 100% completed. So as said earlier, so I told you this is my profile history overview. So I completed my employment history. I added like 2 employment history and like 3 other experiences. So these help my account to be 100% completed. So once you complete your profile to be 100%, so you have the high chance of getting a free connect from Upwork. So another way for you to get free connect is once you receive a badge like Rising Talent badge, you get a free connect of 30 connect. I received that on my one of my accounts as well, and as well when you receive your top rated badge, because I have an account that is a top rated account. So let me show you the accounts. So this is my account with the top rated badge on it already, because I definitely render a different service on these accounts. So let me give it time for it to load. I don't know why it's not loading yet. So okay, as you can see on this account, I'm getting more views on these accounts. I had 3 views on the account already because I have my availability badge on. So without connect, you won't be able to earn your availability badge. So here on my profile, okay, yeah, you can see my profile here. So hold on for the network to load so that I can show you how the profile is. Don't know why the profile is not loading. So okay, let's hold on for the profile to load. It seems we have a network issue, so hold on a bit. Okay, I think I have to fix the network, so hold on for a minute, please. Okay, so this is my top rated profile. So if you have the top rated badge as well, you'll be given a free connect of 30 connect. Anytime you receive a badge, you will get a free connect from Upwork. So but mostly you won't be able to receive free connects anyhow on Upwork without you achieving getting an achievement. So another thing for you to do is once you get your connect, probably you purchase a connect already on your freelancing profile Upwork. So now instead of you looking for a low paying job, you can just go for an high paying job. So I'm waiting for my account to boot itself and load so that I can show you what my connect has got me. So you investing on connect is probably worth it, because you have the chance of applying for high paying jobs and you'll be able to get a definitely high paying job. Yeah. So on this my account, I'm rendering a service, a Shopify dropshipping store service on these accounts. As you can see, I have the 100% job success score already, and I'm a top rated seller on these accounts. I've made 3k USD on this account and 19 projects completed already. I have my portfolio set up, and you can see I've worked with quite some clients already. Like there is one I used like just like 20 connects to send this proposal that got me this 1000 USD project already on the account. And you can see that I created my portfolio, I added my employment history and other experiences. So you have the high chance of applying for high paying jobs. So because it is quality over quantity work. If you render a quality service, then you get reviews on your accounts. So once you get reviews on your accounts, then you'll be able to get chances of getting new paying clients based on the review you've received from other freelancers already on your account. So I hope this video is helpful and it's suits your needs and help you with getting a paying job.